Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the quad spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. You will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the quad stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the binding in my test swatch, I'm using regular single crochet stitches. The reason being I do suggest using regular single crochet stitches underneath spike stitches is if you use bigger stitches than that and that are taller, your work can start bunching up underneath them, and you don't want that with spike stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I have already made 4 chains over here and then 1 regular quad in this first stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and make my first quad spike in this next stitch right here. You're going to yarn over your hook 3 times. You're then going to insert your hook anywhere below this stitch right here, this next one where you would normally work into, anywhere down here in your work. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it right here into this stitch. You're going to insert it into the front of your work. It's going to poke out the back. You're going to grab that yarn that you're working with. You're going to pull it through that stitch, and then you're going to loosely pull it all the way up to the top of your work. And you don't want tight tension with these. They can start bunching up, so you want to keep it loose. You will then yarn over your hook. This is where you would complete it like a regular quad. You're going to pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's going to be 1 quad spike stitch made. I'm going to make a regular quad in this next stitch right here. So again, you start by yarning over your hook 3 times. You're going to insert it anywhere below this next stitch. So I am going to go all the way down here. You're going to insert it into the front. It's going to poke out towards the back of your work. Grab that yarn you're working with. You're going to pull it through that stitch. Loosely pull it all the way up. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Doing a regular quad in this next one. All right, yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook anywhere below this next stitch. I was trying to figure out where I want to put it. I'm going to go right here. Insert it in the front of your work. It's going to poke out the back. You're going to grab that yarn. You're going to pull it through that stitch. Pull it all the way up loosely. Grab that yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Do a regular quad right here. All right, insert your hook anywhere below this next stitch. I'm going to go right here. Insert your hook in the front of your work. It's going to poke out the back. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Loosely pull it all the way up, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops. Regular quad in this next one. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook to your work, grab that yarn, pull it through, pull it all the way up. Yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. Alright, last quad stitch for this row, or last quad spike. I'm going to yarn over 3 times, insert my hook anywhere below this next stitch. I'm going to go down here into this one. You're going to insert your hook into the front of your work. It's going to poke out the back. Grab that yarn, pull it through, loosely pull it all the way up. Yarn over your hook. take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. I'm going to do a regular quad in this last stitch right here to round out my row. And that is going to be how to make the quad spike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.